Hello everyone and welcome to Saja Studio. We have built our own universe around K-pop Demon Hunters. We come up with our own stories, rewrite events, and give the characters a whole new life. And every now and then I open the doors to our studio and show you how each video actually comes to be. In this video, I will walk you through the full path of creating one of my projects, from the very first frame to the final touch. I will show you how I put it all together in CapCut, how I use VO3 to make certain frames move, and why I reach for my graphics tablet whenever I open Photoshop. And sometimes a frame needs a hands-on touch. That's when I grab the stylus and open Photoshop. Here I can draw in whatever's missing, fix the lighting, place highlights and shadows, and add the small details that make a frame feel deep and alive. The tablet gives a whole different kind of freedom. The strokes come out softer, the colors blend more naturally, and the whole process feels like real drawing rather than just clicking around. Once the frame is ready, it goes back into the edit, and the viewer gets to see a result that has not just time, but actual hands behind it. Sometimes a still image just doesn't cut it. I want the character to breathe, the wind to move their hair, the scene to feel alive. That's when I turn to VO3. I upload an image, describe everything that should happen in the prompt, the movement, the emotion, the mood, and the AI turns my picture into a short animated clip. The effect is totally different. What used to be just at work becomes a real shot with its own energy. I bring the clip back into CapCut, slot it into the right moment of the story, fine tune the timing, and adjust the color so everything looks like one piece. It all kicks in CapCut. First, I drop all my prepared material onto the timeline. That's the foundation the whole video stands on. Then I match the footage to the music, cutting out anything unnecessary, keeping only what truly hits, and making sure every cut lands right on the beat. Once the skeleton is in place, I move on to the fun part, transitions and effects. I pick transitions between scenes that flow with the overall mood, slow some moments down to make them hit harder, and speed others up to keep the rhythm pumping. The next step is color. I push the brightness, contrast, and saturation until all the scenes lie in the same palette. I throw in filters, add lighting accents, and sometimes layer textures or flares on top, all for the sake of the right atmosphere. When everything is in place, the animation from VO3, the painted over frames from Photoshop, and the edit itself in CapCut, it's time for the final stretch. I watch the video from start to finish, listen closely to the sound, balance the levels, smooth out the rough edges, and add the last touches, captions, titles, and accents. It's all these little things that pull the whole video together. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this little deeper look behind the scenes. Our story is just getting started. Subscribe so you don't miss the next chapter. See you soon at Saja Studio.